Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very exciting and amazing because the IEM I have brought for you is very interesting and its price is only 50 US dollar, and you can see that the box is very huge. Have you ever seen a box like this for 50 US dollar IEM? Well, I haven't. And the IEM itself name is King Luan. Look at the box. Let's open it first. So a very nice packaging, and this is the brand name Zoo Linyayo whatever, but its design is very beautiful. You can see that their company logo is very beautiful, as you can see. So I really like it. Now let's open it first, and now look at this, a 50 US dollar IM, and look at the packaging. It's absolutely amazing. Let's see what's inside here. So here you will find some cards, 1 2 3 and 4 cards, and I will check them later. And in second place you will find these amazing and beautiful ear tips, and these ear tips are bamboo ear tips. Let me show you. You can see that these ear tips are bamboo ear tips. So I will test it and will review it for you, but look at these 18 ear tips. Wow. So I can't read these, like which one are vocal and which one are for bass, etc., but I will find out. Let's open the case. Well, the case is very boring in my opinion. What do you think, guys? The case is a little bit boring, but overall, like, it's a protective and very small case. I like small cases also. And here you will find your cable, and the cables are also good. It's fine. So here is our mic and the cables, and now it's time to check out our IMs. Wow, my first impressions are that they are quite heavy. Wow. So their design is very beautiful and very different. I think that's their logo as well, and that's the design as well. So the IMs are very heavy, and I think it's metal, if I'm not wrong, but the design is very beautiful. If I zoom in for you, if I zoom in more for you, so here you can take a closer look at the IM. Very different design and cool. So what are these? Are these removable? I don't know. Is this something? I am not sure about it. Well, I will find out. So that's it. That's the packaging for you. That's the IM for you. My first impressions are that I am absolutely impressed by it. Like, I am very surprised because I haven't seen anything like this before. Like, I have seen very expensive IMs in very small pocket size boxes, but this one is very different. I just hope that they will sound good, otherwise I will be very sad. So I think now I should test it, and then I'll come back with my honest opinion and experience with this IM to share with you. Welcome to my review section. So finally, after more than a month, I finally got a chance to review this, and I have used this with 3 different dongles and compared it with other IMs as well. And what I have found is that it's not very impressive. It's good, but it's not very impressive. Like, its box and packaging was very premium, but the sound I was expecting, I thought it would be a little bit more impressive, but it wasn't. It is just fine, but most people won't like it. And it is actually a bassless IM. I hope you understand my point. What I mean, the bass in music, it doesn't have any bass at all, or whatever you can find is the one which is a hard one, and is aggressive as well. It's not smooth or soft, and it's more of a vocal IM. And treble is also sometimes very aggressive, but overall average is fine. So in terms of rating, I would rate it 2 out of 5. And as far as its fit and comfort level is concerned, the comfort level is fine, but it doesn't fit actually quite well, and I don't know why, but it is not very fit in my opinion. And the sound, I told you that it's not for most people. If you want a bassy IM, it then this is a must not for you. But if you don't like bass and your priority is vocal based IM, and similarly you want to hear the music that doesn't require bass and is mostly strings and tunes, so then this may work fine for you. But it's not for most of the people. It's not a common IM, and it's not neutral or balanced at all. So like, I mostly didn't like it because my preferences are mostly different. But as far as its packaging is concerned, and the price and everything, and its look, so I think the price is fair, and it's overall a good IM, we can call it, but not very impressive. Or in terms of popularity, I don't think that it is quite enjoyable, but it's fine because it's not a trashy. Sometimes an IM is a very trashy, like you cannot even listen to it, and like it's very hard to breathe in it. But it's not like that, but it's not enjoyable either. So that's what I feel about it. So that is the review, and this is not a common IM I will use. This is just mostly, I think you can use it for editing purposes, or mostly for news, podcasts, etc. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I will surely reply. That was a quick review, and that's it.